Alright YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, or it's probably a welcome back for me too. Kind of been a long while. Nothing purposely done, life's just been busy, new job, whole bunch of stuff popped up. But however, rally art is still doing good, minus a nice little rattling sound that's going on. I got some boost leaks. After popping the hood, I was able to determine, I think it's one of our gaskets is actually cracked, and it's rattling in place anytime we got throttle on the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to replace that. I've already ordered my replacement parts. They've come in off of MA Performance, and we're gonna swap them out, and hopefully that works. But yeah, not the greatest video for today, but at least it's gonna be something. Hopefully my back holds up. I tried to do this previously, threw out my back, so it's never a fun time. However, let's go ahead and get this video started. I'll show you guys the sound that I'm talking about for starters. But yeah, appearance wise, nothing's really changed at all, so you're not missing anything. And as you can see, there's no lights or anything on the dash, so car still runs. I've just been staying out of boost. Pop the hood real quick. So that just reminded me, so while starting the car, that's another indicator. I do smell some exhaust fumes. So basically what I'm talking about is right there at the bottom of the tubular manifold, we have a crack in there. It's hard to kind of show you guys. Let's see. Well, right through there, so I'm gonna have to. So while I had the car started, that's another indicator. I was able to smell some fuel or some exhaust. So while trying to show you guys the sound, that's another indicator, right? So I can smell the exhaust. It's getting picked up a little bit better. However, that's the gasket in between the turbo manifold and the house. I'm trying to get a good view for you guys. Well, however, it's that gasket right there. There's a crack in between one of them. I was able to pick up a nice view of it earlier. It's hard to see here on the camera. There it is, right there. So that's rattling in between, causing a leak. So we're gonna fix that. Alright, it has been a couple weeks since I have actually fixed the car. It's running with no more issues. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys real quick what had happened. Pop the hood. And then right here in my hand is the old gasket that was found broken. So like I already previously covered, this was the broken gasket. It was in between the tubular manifold and the turbo housing. That has since been replaced, and I didn't really have to even remove this fully to get it out. All I had to do was take out the 4 turbo manifold bolts. I was able to grab the edge of the gasket with some channel locks or like some type of pliers, and I was able to pull it out. I was able to pull it out and slide in the new gasket. Now ever since that happened, the car is ticking, the smells, the sounds, all that stuff squared away. I was able to hold boost pressure down again, and that was basically letting me know that everything is fine and dandy. So I'm gonna go ahead and run up the car, prove to you guys that's kind of all that was kind of wrong with the car at the time. So fingers crossed it stays good for another good while. With the whole turbo swap and all that, I think I've been running, about 14,000 miles on it since, with no issues other than this. So fingers crossed on that. Alright, so again, there's no lights. That's really just because the hood's open. No lights. No more rattling. And that's what you want to hear. So we have a healthy Lancer rally art. And just your normal SST chatter, nothing crazy going on. So, car's in a very good condition right now. I'm happy with it. Alright, so that's going to wrap everything up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's a nice little quick update on the car. Good, nice little fix. So good news there. And tomorrow is Easter, so if you guys celebrate or acknowledge Easter, happy Easter to you guys. So other than that, just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on idle, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.